we're back with Athena Ramo.
Yeah, I forgot to tell hi.
Hi. Where's Athena Ramo?
I'm here.
I'm going to Athena Ramo. Hi.
Let's,
Magpalit ka na ng clothes mo. Black. Okay. We're gonna let's go to house 13. Gonna go some props. And kung wala maghanap po kami ngayon ng nagsuso sa Brookhaven, Bombaya, yon. Sino naman po nakakaalam dun? Oh my god, my girl! My girl! Oh, nag-ring. Where's the Rizky? Hanap tayong ibang house. Lahat na yung may Bombaya. Okay. Sino ba yung ano? Guys, look at the chat button. Subok mo to. Oh my god. Wait, guys, hanapin natin yung may-ari ng house na yun. Wait, what's this? Pink one. Okay, alili. So wait. I'm gonna...
Uy!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oy!
Wala siya dito, guys.
Uy! Drive na akong bicycle dito. Sakit ka na.
Tinay, naghanap na ako ng house. Hinahanap ko yung house ng nag-aan. This is or... Hindi! So guys, we're gonna find it. Let's find house 29. Anong dito? Guys, wala kaming nakita. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, oh my god. Nothing here. Oh. Wala tayong ma-find dito. Let's go another server. Okay guys, so we're gonna tinilive ikaw dyan. No. Magjo-join ako sa'yo. So,
Uy, ganito na.
ay, lilipat ako ng server.
Oh!
Yeah. Let's go, lipat tayo
Oh,
server.
yeah.
Wala tayong ma-find dyan. Stop mo muna ganyan mo video. Yan na. Nakagawi sa akin. So guys, i-wait ko lang i-wait ko lang mag-leave si Athena. Asan na yung video? Wait lang, join ka sa akin. Okay guys, I'm gonna post this on my YouTube channel. Diba? Right? Post mo yan? Yes. We're back again. Already 32 Yan guys. So, dito guys. What is this? Will you be our friends? Oh, to Bacon!
Jamil,
Okay.
cute.
Mars Motel.
Jamil, cute.
Only if you need a motel. Yes! Let's go.
Are you have Spanish?
Let's go.
Are you smart?
Oh my god, let's rob this house. Or what? Wag muna ba?
Are you have Spanish?
This is... Uy, nakasara yung ano, Tinay! Yo, ay,
Jamila, cute.
what?
Are you have Spanish?
Ikaw, half ikaw?
Nancy!
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Okay guys, so this
Ano to?
boy...
Mars
Oh my god.
Motel only if you need a motel room.
Okay guys.
Saan ka?
Oh my god. Sorry, so
Saan ka
let's
na?
go. I'm
Where?
here at 24 house. Okay.
House.
Okay.
No, not that. Tapos, clown.
Wait. Oh my god, nakita yung lights.
Papasok ako.
Oh my god, she's sleeping.
Kagitin na tayo.
She's sleeping. Wala siyang kasama. Rob na lang natin yung house niya, no?
Baka naka-off.
No.
Don't do this at real life.
Yes.
This is just a game.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, guys. So let's go
My
again in the ano.
I got heart attack for a second.
She did. Oh my god, may kasama siya?
Ano kasama siya?
Girl! Ew!
Ew!
Let's go.
Ano yung nasa chin niya?
Tinay, huwag tayo muna sunod sa kanila. Kunyari, mag-alis tayo. Hanap muna tayong ibang house. Houses. 4, 5.
I'm going
Oh.
to
Uy, may bayad dito 6.
transform into the daddy of myself.
Wait. The boy want me to throw outside.
Wait, guys.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
I'm happy.
I'm gonna rob you. Happy? Or what?
I am happy.
Well, I'm gonna rob this. Oh my god.
Yes, I'm inside. Hi, guys.
Wala ako dyan. Naka-open yung money nito. Where are you? Okay, this Wilson house, I'm gonna rob it. Tinay, ang daming people dito. Let's challenge ourselves na ma-rob natin to, Tinay. Ang daming people. Okay. Okay, guys. Dami nila. And,
I can get you even.
wait lang. Saan ako magtatago? No, I'm not. It's okay. It's lesson. Haha, sorry. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my I'm back. Back.
Okay, I robbed
Okay.
your house.
So,
House.
okay.
Okay. I'm a little off right now, but it's okay.
Tinay, I don't know where's the money here. Ito, dito pala.
I got the money now.
Oh my god. Okay, let's
I got
rob.
the money.
Let's rob, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Our second mission is to find online daters.
Yes. First mission is rob the house. Second mission, find online takers. He broke. He banned. So guys, pag wala po kaming na-find dito, we're gonna teleport in another server.
Because
Okay.
last time we just
Ha.
leave another server.
Yes.
Now we are. Oh my god!
So guys,
Let's
she said
try.
MSR Brookhaven made substitute to substation.
Okay, guys.
Okay guys, I'm
Our
gonna
second
find
mission is to find online leaders. It's really bad.
Jen, like bomba, yeah.
Okay, let's
So,
find some.
Wala akong
Wait,
mahanap.
let's find some boys around here.
Okay guys, let's find some online leaders here.
I'm spying on boys. I'm actually spying on boys.
The two girls kanina tinay.
I can
Oy,
see
the girl Clarking.
who
Ew,
works here.
who works here? Hi.
Ako na
Oh, the two girls. Hi, me. Hi. Alright. Guys, so this car, she's done. Okay. So,
Nag-teleport lang ako dito.
let's go, Tinaw. Lipat tayo ulit server.
I'm just crafting this build and leave alone.
Wait for 5 minutes and we have okay, let's can just chill, share things. What the girl and boy? Tinay.
Where?
Okay, let's just
What house?
no. Sakai. She said Sakai? Sakai. Where are you? Where are you?
Oh my god, my god!
This is the
Mada!
let's join.
Let's join, let's join.
Let's join.
Let's join, let's join!
Tinay, let's join our server.
God!
Ikaw magpapaganda.
Oh my god!
Pwede po kami mag-fit ni Kuya Gab.
Ay!
Back. Join. Wow! Okay, Tinay, back mo muna yan.
Join me.
Tinay, Tinay. This is how to server na. Ang tagal mo, kamo. Oh my God. Ah! Wala po.
Okay, let's be Brookhaven.
I will gonna join you, Atina.
I'm gonna join you.
What? Okay. I'm gonna join you.
May kalaro niya si Tinay umaga.
Then,
Ay, kakatapos ko lang po.
wait. You are not playing. Wala tayong signal. So guys, we don't have. Wait, back. Wait lang.
The
So
color.
guys, I'm gonna join to Atina Ramo. So, where's it? Ah, join ka na. Wait, Atina Ramo.
Okay, I tell to my subscribers or viewers, it's what's the code?
What's
It's
the
gonna be
code?
hard to tell you guys.
Okay, guys. Oh, no. Okay, guys. So, let's fight online daters muna.
Okay,
Okay, guys.
okay, go.
So, mission 2. Pag wala na po kami nakita dito, mission 2 is not
Oh my god!
success, alright?
Oh my god! Go to 11 house! Oh my
Why?
god! Oh my god! There's Miss Mary! And another boy.
Ah! Wait. Okay, guys.
Go. Okay. Let's take
So, it's okay. What are you pranking na?
I'm breaking others by giving me.
Ma'am, do you need me right now? Hello, we're from the hospital. We would like to check your health. Is that okay? Wait. So, the mission 2, it's...
Okay.
Okay, guys. So, I don't have find the
Okay.
house.
I had some sushi by the way. Hey,
Miss Mary is from Yumar, VIP.
Look at me right now.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna go to house 11.
No, but what did you have?
Where are you ba?
Look.
Ah!
Let's take others by this.
Wait, guys,
I'm
our,
making this guy
but
over here.
our mission 2 is not complete. Oh, so sad.
My
Mission
God.
3 is prank
Are you able to because
others.
look at your skin. It's literally gray.
Okay, guys,
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna prank others.
Wild.
Do you get that?
Search big belly
Where?
on the bags.
On the bags. Where is it? Ito. Yes, okay. Big belly?
Yes, girl, yes.
Mission 2. Our mission 2 is not success.
Yak, ang laki ng dede mo.
Okay, guys.
Nagmamike kami, madididi.
Okay. This is my boobs. Ah!
Na? Oh, huwag kayo magpapatid sa akin, ha?
Mm-mm.
Oh, huwag magpapatid kayo sa akin.
Hindi. Okay, guys, I'm changed my
Ito
outfit.
mag-aatid sa inyo. Unahin ko na kayo, wala ko dyan. Pupunta din ako bukas. Tutukan ko yung motor kay tata. Oh, ang gagamitin natin doon, ha? Oo nga, baka umiyak siguro sa akin kung magbubusan siya sa akin. Hindi naman. Gusto nga dito siya matulog, kaso huwag siya magpapauwi.
Okay, guys, we're gonna prank others.
Oo, natin ko kayo bukas, ha?
Apa.
Ay, hindi, magkukunit lang tayo bukas. Kukunin ko.
Okay, guys, sige, let's go prank others na. Tara na.
Ano?
Hintay sa una.
Sabagan ko ata.
Okay. Let's prank and ano gagawin nila sa atin. Okay. This is the mission 3, guys. The boy.
Nag-video ko yung ready. Pinaka-punay kasi baka malilig kayo.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna
Ako lang.
so yun, guys. Prank others. I'm in the position. So yeah, there's a bro. What the heck, bro? This will do.
Mag-shopping tayo dito.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, guys.
Okay, I'm done shopping right now. Oh, no,
Wala po kaming na people in the mission.
but I have friends. I already paid others right now.
Let's go on house, but boys. Did it. Let's go high.
Ay, namin yung tatlo na.
Tinay mag-high lang ako, ah? And tinay. Tingnan natin ano gagawin niya. Wait, guys. Yeah, go. She is not a bad boy.
Matutulog agad. Wala.
Well, 50. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. I'm gonna end this now. Yan, guys. So, bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Bye.